The eyes that tell the story of love, passion, and bravery. Ryan Litton. Hey, photographer.
Hey, baby.
How you feel?
I feel good. I'm happy to be out here.
I feel like I was going to trip. Before I end this video, I want to say, be free in the wilderness. Show peace. Show gratitude for the little things that are around you. And love those people that surround you. Cherish the moments.
Just like in nature reflects the beauty of growth, our natural beauty within grows as we expand our inner knowing of thyself. Closing our eyes to see with our ears, listening to every leaf crinkle, the wind blowing, the birds chirping, the water flowing. The peace that surrounds us is abundant.